Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this video is how to complete the test reflection form. What is the test reflection form? Let's take a look at it. So this is the test reflection form, and I'll show you where it is on Schoology here in a minute, but I have paper copies of them in the math applications. It's like a hanging file folder, and there's a folder that says test reflection form. And basically what you do is if you get 100 on a test, you don't have to fill this out. But if you miss even part of one problem, you'll have to fill this out. So let's say on this first test, you missed 3 problems. You'll write your name. You'll write that it's test 1B. That's the test that you are reflecting upon. And let's say you missed 8. So what you're going to do is you're going to work 8 out so that you can get the right answer. And this also gives you the opportunity to ask me any questions you have. Like if you don't understand why you got 8 wrong, then you and I can have a conversation about it. But the whole goal of this test reflection form is to make sure that you understand how to do these problems properly, because you'll probably see them in the future again. And I don't want you to get, for example, all of the fraction problems wrong, or all of the decimal problems wrong, or something. If we have a trend where we need to go back and maybe relearn and reteach, then I want to make sure we catch that. So this is a front-back form. It covers all 20 of the questions on any given test. And again, you'll see, normally I give about 5 days after a test for you guys to turn these in. This is not a test correction form. We don't do test corrections in math apps. This is just a reflection form. It is 5 points on your daily grade. And basically, it's just to make sure that you understand why you got the ones wrong that you got wrong. So let me show you where this is at on our math applications course in Schoology. So if I go to tests, you can't see any of these, but this one, cumulative test 1B, is the one that we took yesterday. And you'll see that this is the test, and then it says cumulative test 1B reflection. So if you want to print the form out, you can. If you want to print it out and do it on paper and put it in your box, you can. I believe that this is due, it says due Friday. That's not right. Let me change that due date. So I'll be changing that due date. But that's where you're going to find the reflections. So normally the day after the test, I'm not going to be here tomorrow, so I wanted to make a video, but you'll have time to work on your reflection, and then, and yeah, that's it. I'm sorry. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you on Friday.